In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Siteground hosting subscription and renewal. If you're considering moving your website or changing your hosting provider, knowing how to effectively manage your subscription is crucial. Whether you're looking for cost efficiency, different features, or simply a change of pace, canceling a service can sometimes be daunting, but don't worry, I've got you covered with this step-by-step guide. Let's dive right into it. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Siteground homepage. This is where we'll be starting the process. You'll find the link in the description below. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the login button prominently displayed at the top right corner. Clicking on login will take you to the login page where you'll need to enter your credentials. Ensure your details are accurate to gain access to your personal Siteground dashboard. Once logged in, you'll want to navigate to My Siteground account. This is your hub for managing all things related to your Siteground services. Inside the account management page, you'll see several options, but for this task, we need to focus on services. Click on services to explore the different subscriptions and products associated with your account. Now look for the settings option under your listed services. Clicking on settings opens up a new range of choices specific to each of your subscriptions. This is where you'll find detailed management options, allowing you to fine-tune or cancel as needed. Next, you'll notice a three-dot icon, also known as the action button, located near your hosting plan details. Clicking on this three-dot icon will reveal more options. You will want to select cancel from this drop-down menu. This step is crucial as it initiates the cancellation process for your hosting plan. After clicking cancel, you'll often encounter a highlighted section that prompts you to confirm your decision. Select this highlighted option to move forward. This acts as a fail-safe, ensuring that you don't accidentally cancel without awareness. It's always good to double check so you can avoid any unintended disruptions to your services. Following this, if you desire to manage your renewals separately or reconsider your cancellation, head back to the three-dot icon and find the renew option. Clicking on renew will allow you to manage your renewal preferences, whether updating them or completely opting out. Remember, flexibility is at your fingertips, and you should take full advantage of adjusting settings according to your current needs. And there you have it, folks. A complete rundown on how to cancel your Siteground hosting subscription and manage your renewals. Remember, managing your hosting services doesn't have to be a hassle. Being informed and prepared makes the process seamless. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you next time.